Hello, my name is Peter Parfitt and welcome to the new Brit Workshop. Now look, I'm in a bit of a pickle here because I wanted to rearrange things in the workshop and I didn't quite realise just how much work it was going to take, and I've also got to do some rewiring. So my wood rack, which is behind me, is on the floor. All the wood is behind the camera over there and it's an awful mess. Anyway, that's nothing to do with this video. This video is about plans. Now recently YouTube have changed the way that they allow people to make comments and communicate. In the old days, if you wanted to set my plans, you would send a comment with your email address in. It would be put to one side, nobody else could see it apart from you and me, and I'd send whatever plans you needed to that email address. Well, they've stopped doing that, so you can't do that anymore. So what I've done now is, if you go to my channel homepage and you click on the About tab, down there you'll see a little tab that says View Email Address, or words to that effect. Now you have to be logged on under your YouTube ID in order to be able to access that. Anyway, there you'll find an email address just for plans. Send me an email and please state exactly which plans you need and I'll send them back to you as soon as I can. Anyway, I've got to get back to sorting this chaos out. I'm afraid it's going to take me several weeks. So anyway, there we go. Many thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.